Hey crafters, it's me, Jen with Quality Crafts, and I just yacked away. Look at my timer, 6 minutes, and I wasn't recording. I'm so sorry. I am going to just make this short and just take off from here. You get to see the last 4 minutes. I spent the majority of the time creating this really fun background, and it was so simple. Oh, I'm so mad that that's not available. But by 1 in 10s, I only have one shot at it, you guys. It's all the scraps that come from somebody who sent them in. This is number 169, so it's the 169th week of this. If you're like, wow, I have never seen this before, or man, I haven't sent mine in yet, we are at our end. I'm using all repeats, people who sent in 4, 5, 6 different envelopes full of stuff, so that I wouldn't run out because they like the series so much. I need new stuff coming in. So down in the description box below, there is a link to the Facebook group Quality Crafts. You're going to want to join there. Let us know you want to do the 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, and send in your scraps. We would love to have them. Things that I don't use from the scraps go in my owl box, and I will use those. Save the date for our crop in the new year. That's 8 p.m. to midnight Central Standard Time, and we will do a crop. We're going to be doing it on Zoom so everybody can participate and communicate. It's so much fun. I hope to see a lot of you guys there. I just inked up the back with some pink, like I was saying, and you missed it. In the morning, I'm seeing a lot of really gorgeous pink skies, so that's where this came from. A little bit of orange on the side and some light blue coming down. She's got a lot of cutout sequins, lots of different things that she sent in, so I'm taking advantage of that and creating this card. I only have 4 minutes left, but now you're all caught up, so I'm going to restart the timer. We're going to do our last 4 minutes. I'm picking out the pieces for this deer because I think it would be really cute to put these guys in there, and I'm going to cut this off from the edges so I can see how this is going to look and if I want to put this one on the card. So like I could put this right here and have those deer standing in the wood. How cool is that? Even though that doesn't span the whole edge, I kind of want that base there. I mean, I don't want to just put the deer kind of standing in there, so I'm going to keep with that. I just used the sticky specks to put down the trees. So in case you missed that, I'm going to show this again. These are awesome for all these little tiny things that you want to glue down. So you put it on top of the sticky specks, you give it a rub, peel back up the little plastic layer that covers the sticky, you know, so it's not sticking to everything in your cupboard, wherever you keep them. And then just peel them up. They're sticky on the back of the whole thing now. And you just keep reusing it and reusing it in the same spot until it runs out of sticky. So there, I had some on my finger left over, just rub that off. Rub down our little deer. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I think we're going to put on maybe a few leaves. We'll see. The leaves are like really big in contrast to this card, so I'll have to take a look at that and see what I think. I only have a couple minutes left, but that is stunning. I might just want to leave that. But we have this blessings, which I think is really cute. We could have that coming in from the top. Yeah, I really like the look of that. I'm not going to waste the top of this, though. I might want to use that on something else. So I'll just go ahead and, yeah, that's so cool. Okay, let's put some glue on the back of this one. I want to let you guys know, too, that we moved Friday Free Play to Sunday Fun Day at 2 p.m. on Sundays. There's been not very many people viewing, and I'm kind of sad about that, but maybe it's just because it's such a new change. So I'd love to see more people on Sunday at 2 p.m. I did it later in the afternoon so people can still do their church functions in the mornings. That's really cute. See, now we could put on a couple of these leaves here. Yeah. Okay. This is going to look so good. Let's put on a couple of these leaves to pull out that orange from the side, right? One falling down here. Oh, is that cute? Do we want to put another little brown one here maybe? Yes, I'm going to do that because there's a little bit of glue that went across here and I don't like to look at that. So guess what? I'm going to use this to just cover that up. Cover it up. So cute. Oh my gosh, I have 30 some seconds left, but I think I'm pretty much done with this card. Keeping it simple. I almost could put a piece of this on the inside, but it's not a perfect match, so I'm going to hang on to that for now. Could put that on the inside. Yeah, why don't we? Let's keep it all matching. We'll put this on the inside. So then we've got that matching onto the inside there. Cute. And we're out of time. So again, this one is from, did I say Rosa? I better double check. I said it in the beginning. This is week 169, and this is from Rosa. It's gorgeous. She said I could give this to anybody. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to send this to a random viewer that leaves a comment on this video. So if you really like this card, it's just stunning. I love it. Let me know. I will do this as like a giveaway. So if you want to leave a comment, message, suggestion, whatever you want in the comments below, and I will pick one lucky winner and I will send it to you. If you just want to leave a comment and you're not interested in the card, just make that note in your comment so that if I pick you, I'll send it on to someone else. So pretty. This could be a Christmas card. It could be a fall card. You could even add some Thanksgiving. Yeah, blessings. Man, it's really cool. Thank you so much, Rosa, for sending in your scraps. What a gorgeous scrap that you sent in. They're so pretty. Love it. So now I have to remember like what I said in the beginning and whatnot. So I'm just going to let you guys know one more time in case I forgot that all of these extra things will go into my owl box. And if you save the date for Crap in the New Year, we will be having a Zoom party from 8 p.m. to 12 midnight Central Standard Time. I would love to see you guys all join. I think we can have, you know, tons of people on there before it would get full. But if it does get full, it gets full. We hope that we get tons of people that come anyways. What else can I tell you? If you've got questions and comments, leave them down in the description box or the comment box below. Or you can always get a hold of me at a lot of the things down in the description box. There's links to everything. Our store, our websites, Facebook, of course, Pinterest, Instagram, that kind of stuff. We are pretty much everywhere that we can be with the time that we have. And I can't wait to see you guys again. What else do I want to say? I'm thrown off because Coda's snoring right next to me. So if you don't know my dog, get to know the family and stuff, join Facebook. We are drama and commitment free, and we'd love to have you. So until then, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.